Looks like a pillow? Well, it's not what you think. What about this gadget right here? Can you guess what it is? That's not all. We have compiled a list of some of the most mind-blowing gadgets available online. All the links to the products are in the description below. A new invention is unveiled every day, reminding us of how rapidly our world is evolving and how tech permeates all aspects of our daily lives. Is this just reality? Is a common question we ask ourselves when confronted with new technology. We're all excited when a new gadget or appliance arrives, whether it's for our own use or as a thoughtful present for a loved one. SmallRig 3611 Universal Lite Video Kit. Achieve personal videography from your smartphone with the SmallRig 3611 Universal Lite Video Kit for iPhone series. Compatible with iPhone Series 6 to 12, the Samsung Galaxy 21 series, and various Huawei models, it's perfect for on-the-go shoots. Above all, this photography accessory supports both horizontal and vertical shooting and optional grips. Featuring multiple mounting holes, it has room to support a microphone, an LED light, handles, a tripod, and more. Furthermore, this smartphone photography gadget includes a built-in quick-release magnetic design for power bank holders to offer a complete power supply solution. You can also move the smartphone holder left and right for easy adjustment and access to all buttons. All the while, the split-level design won't affect your phone signal. Seagate Ultra Touch Compact SSDs. Add a stylish but useful gadget to your workspace with the Seagate Ultra Touch Compact SSD external hard drive. They come in both 1TB and 500GB storage options and boast stylish woven designs. What's more, they're both compatible with USB-C and USB 3.0 for fast connections. This also allows it to work interchangeably with your Mac or Windows. Meanwhile, they also work with your Android and can back up your photos, videos, and more, saving space on your device. It backs up quickly and conveniently with just one click, and you can schedule it to back up daily, hourly, weekly, or monthly. Monitormate ProBASE X Aluminum Monitor. Charge your devices while you work with the Monitormate ProBASE X aluminum motor stand. Featuring an 18-watt charging port, it powers your iPhone 8 or later to 80% in 35 minutes. Moreover, the ProBASE X aluminum monitor stand includes two USB 3.0 ports at your fingertips to charge your devices or transfer data at your desk. Without having to look down for USB ports, it can let you streamline your workload. Furthermore, this workspace gadget supports SSD and micro SSD connectivity, enabling you to have your card reader sitting in front of you. Best of all, this workspace gadget includes an Ethernet port. That way, it provides sufficient bandwidth for transferring large files in an instant. Overall, its low-bearing aluminum design will elevate your work setup, and it provides storage space for work accessories. Smartphone Mobile Mini Dome Waterproof Phone Case. Use the Smartphone Mobile Mini Dome Waterproof Phone Case to easily create amazing over and underwater photographs. Known as split photos, this gadget lets you take them using your smartphone thanks to the dome port device. It's the smallest dome possible, with a compact size and light weight. Compatible with any smartphone up to 7 inches in size, it works with iPhones and Androids alike. Easy to use, it doesn't require any special apps. Simply install it closing the 3 clips over your smartphone, use your normal camera app, and use your touchscreen in the water. Moreover, it has a waterproof casing that can reach up to 6 meters in the water while keeping your smartphone safe. Furthermore, it has a cost-effective design and takes good quality photos. You can even add a standard universal sport handle to easily hold it in the water. Tango Smartphone Grip and Stand. Enhance your phone with an incredible accessory, the Tango Smartphone Grip and Stand. More than a phone grip and more than a stand, it collapses to an incredibly thin 2.9 millimeters. That means that when you aren't using it, it's virtually invisible and works with your wireless chargers. Impressively, it can then expand to 10 times its size with the push of a button. Forged with aerospace-grade steel, it will last so much better than the bulky, cheap plastic alternatives. Conveniently, you can use it as either a landscape or portrait mode stand depending on where you mount it. Simply angle it out a bit to prop up your phone. Coated with soft polyester resin, it maintains a comfortable profile for you to hold. Overall, it attaches to your phone with an industrial adhesive, ensuring it stays put through all your adventures. GoPro Hero 10 Black Bones Camera. Enhance your FPV drone with the GoPro Hero 10 Black Bones camera for FPV drones. It boasts Emmy Award-winning hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization for professional quality 5.3K footage. Lightweight at just 54 grams, it's ready to attach to and work with your drone. In fact, this consumer-grade product also boasts a well-ventilated design, so it's ready for you to fly. What's more, it has the same 1-2.3 image sensor and GP2 processor as the popular Hero 10 Black for incredible imagery and performance. Moreover, you get multiple ways to control the camera, including onboard buttons, quick app, the remote, and QR codes or your drone transmitter. Even better, it works with existing drone batteries within its specs, so you won't have to bring an extra battery. Even better, this camera sets up quickly on drones with a screw boss. Finally, the lens cover is replaceable in the event of a crash. NITECORE EMR10 Electronic Mosquito Repeller. Developed as a heat-activated mosquito repeller, the NITECORE EMR10 also includes the ultrasonic mode and portable power bank function. In fact, it has an interior heating element to activate the mosquito repellent tablet in the repellent mat to create a 10 to 20 meters squared protection zone. Furthermore, its fixed frequency sound waves are 25 kHz and 40 kHz, which repel skunks, insects, and rats outdoors. The EMR10 is equipped with a bidirectional Type-C port X1 and supports QC PD 3.0 fast charging and discharging. Mophie Snap Plus Wireless Vent Mount MagSafe Car Charger. Keep your phone in safe view while you're on the road with the Mophie Snap Plus Wireless Vent Mount MagSafe Car Charger. Providing universal wireless charging, it works on contact. In fact, it delivers a safe, efficient charge of up to 15 watts to your compatible new iPhone. Made with a magnetic array, its charging begins immediately. Moreover, it ensures you hit the right, accurate spot for charging every time you place your phone on it. AOHI Magcube 40-watt foldable charger. Charge any of your USB-C gadgets with the AOHI Magcube 40-watt foldable charger. Using intelligent power allocation technology, it not only detects but also optimizes its power supply. This makes sure that devices connected to the dual-port power adapter always receive the best charge. Incredibly, this compact gadget can charge 2 iPhone 13 smartphones, or even an iPhone 13 and an iPad simultaneously, when using just a single port. Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless 60% Gaming Keyboard. Add a small but powerful keyboard to your gaming setup with the Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless 60% Gaming Keyboard. It delivers both performance and customization with ultra-fast slipstream wireless and swappable Cherry MX switches. Yes, with the hot swappable key switches, you can effortlessly change up this keyboard to add your personality. Then with slipstream wireless, you get high-speed connections to your devices. This technology, along with the Corsair Axon hyperprocessing, ensures 8,000 Hz hyperpolling for a speedy 0.125 millisecond transmission. Zero Yeti 1000X Power Station Charger. Charge a microwave, a refrigerator, a light bulb, a phone, and other medium to large appliances with the Zero Yeti 1000X portable power station. Its myriad ports include 60-watt USB-C power delivery, multiple USB-A ports, regulated 12-volt, and two 120-volt AC ports, so it accommodates various devices using its 983 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. On average, this device charges a smartphone 82 times, a tablet 33 times, and a laptop 20 times. It also charges a microwave for 1 hour, most TVs for 10 hours, and a full-size refrigerator for 15 hours. Hapsbox. Unlike most music instruments, software, and hardware applications, Hapsbox does not have a steep learning curve. On the contrary, you'll easily learn how to play it and make the most of it, which is even more exciting considering that this is an instrument that offers sounds of more than 200 professional instruments and more than 100 accompaniment styles, as well as more than a dozen percussion groups, solo, or band ensemble. In a nutshell, Hapsbox offers you easily actionable, endless music creative possibilities.